This video is going to be a no-nonsense, very serious Pinterest video. How to make a lot of money on Pinterest is what this is all about.
This is amazing. We are here to learn how to make money. But this is JC's video. I'm not gonna steal his content. I will give you something different and something better. I'm talking about AI. And in case you don't know about AI, this is your chance. The first job of AI is to become your assistant and save your time. So instead of watching the full video, I'm going to select the whole transcript, Ctrl+C, and then go to ChatGPT, a world-famous AI application that everybody knows about. And I will click a custom GPT. Custom GPT is a custom chatbot that we built for ourselves to serve our purpose and solve our problems and basically save our time. First, we click this button, Grow, and it wants to record the URL of the video. So I copy and paste the whole transcript and click the up arrow button. And immediately, this AI chatbot starts working like a robot. Look at this. First, it created summary of the video. Then I got the standard operating procedure of the business model shared in this video. I got some interesting lines that are interesting to my audience extracted from the video. I got a short video script just for me, so I can use the script to make my own video. SWOT analysis, one of the most important studies done before starting any business. It shows you the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of the business. Trust me, you will not like it. Last but not least, it even wrote an article for me. And for the article, I need AI images, so it wrote image prompts for every paragraph of the article. And now I want AI to draw hyper-realistic images using the above prompts one by one, and click the up arrow button. Now AI is generating images and the first image is done. It shows a computer screen displaying Pinterest trends with keywords like bohemian, bedroom decor highlighted. That's not bad. What do you think? Now the bot asks me if I'm ready for the next one. I would say yes, and the next one is getting ready. And the next image is being created. Wow, looks great. You got the point. I will just go one by one or ask AI to create all of them at once. You must be asking, Mosh, where is the Pinterest money? Before I show you the money, just like every other guru out there, you need the guarantee that it actually works and you will actually make money. I'm showing you the guarantee. Keep watching. The process he shared in his video is a 3-step process called PIN. P-I-N. Let's go to our handy dandy whiteboard, P-I-N. And your guarantee that you are going to make money is right here. Talking about guarantee, I don't use Pinterest much myself because Pinterest is great, but it will limit your income. We'll talk about it in a moment. Let me show you some guarantee. This is one of my Warrior Plus accounts. And these are my last 30 days affiliate stats from this account. Not so shabby. Don't worry, I have other accounts. Now let's take a screenshot and check this number closely. This is an all-in-one AI platform that we launched with a partner, and I'm promoting it. I'm promoting my own offer as an affiliate. Now look at this. Dollar per hop equals 41 cents. It means every single click generated on my affiliate link makes me 41 cents. Now all the income came from sales, not from clicks, but from making 45 sales. I know that this number is occurring as an average. This is the guarantee of income. So now I know that if I keep sending traffic to this offer, some of those traffic will eventually buy, and on the average from every visitor, I will make 41 cents. So in order to make $410 in affiliate commissions, I just need to send 1,000 visitors to this offer. That's not all. Look at these numbers. This is the stats of my affiliates. Over 2,000 affiliates earned $2.6 million promoting my offers. So basically, we paid $2.6 million in affiliate commissions to our affiliates, and that's over 2,000 of them. From all this data, this is the revenue per hop. Did you see that? So on the average, my affiliates are making 50% of that, which is something like 27 cents per visitor they are sending because they're getting 50% commission. So I'm actually making more money than them, right? So look at this. This number that I'm showing you is a repetitive number. This is the guarantee that this system works, and everybody who sends traffic to our offers are making money. So if I keep sending traffic to this offer, whether I make money today or not, Maybe I will make money tomorrow, but on the average, from every visitor, I will make 41 cents. This is extremely important to understand before you start digital marketing. Otherwise, you might get disappointed. Now we got a clear idea how to guarantee results. Now let's go and check how to guarantee success in this method. P stands for precision in research.
Number one is research. Let's come to Pinterest. This is a free tool, trends.pinterest.com. And if you have a page already, it will show you grow in trends your audience loves. So I already have an audience because I have a page on Pinterest, right? But not everyone does. And we're able to use this for different things. So it's saying, look here, for my audience, people love bohemian bedroom decor.
I came to trends.pinterest.com and searching for bohemian, and look what I got, bohemian bedroom decor. Idea, bohemian bedroom decor ideas. And here you can see small graphs. These will give you the guarantee. Keep watching. Let's select bohemian bedroom decor. And from the curve, it's a pretty evergreen niche where the searches over time is pretty consistent. It looks like a great niche. To validate the idea, I came to Amazon and searched for bohemian decor, and I see tons of products and they're all getting sales. And the buyers are pretty happy. Almost all of them got over 4-star rating. I came to Etsy.com searching for bohemian decor, and look what I found. This listing got 1,600, 4.9 star rating. This one got 3.9 thousand, and this one got 4,100. Now, I don't know about you, but I personally like this one because of the high price. Some of us may be uncomfortable with high price because you may think people don't buy high price product. I politely disagree. This is another Bari Plus account. And in this account, we only list and sell high price digital products. And if you look at the visitor value of these offers, you will clearly understand the comparison. Remember, I showed you visitor value 55 cents, 41 cents, etc. But when the product price is high, the visitor value becomes $6, $8, $5, $7. So from only 111,000 visitors, we made almost $500,000. This is why I'm more excited with this product, and I want to see what's going on here. $75 price. It's the large Indian Toran. Click here to visit their shop. You will see all their products and listings, and most of them are high price. I would say approximately $75 is their average price, and they got 17,179 sales, which gets you $75 times 17,179 equals $1.2 million from selling bohemian decor on Etsy. Isn't this amazing? $1.2 million, guys. So without even going through the full video, we know that all we need to do is to do a proper research before we start a venture. Then we list our products in crowded marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy and simply make money. Now, I know the problem of most of my audience. You have a full-time 9-to-5 job, busy dad, busy mom. You don't have time to deal with physical products like decors, dealing with suppliers, selling, shipping, or advertising traffic. You literally don't have time for any of this. So probably drop shipping or affiliate marketing model would be the best choice for you. You may need a simple store or website like this where you will list the bohemian decor products, and when people buy from you, you make money. Now, where is the AI here? This image is created by AI. Clearly, all these images are created by AI. You are going to create those images, post them on Pinterest as pin, list your product in your website, take the link and attach with your Pinterest image. They like your pin, they click on your pin, they visit your website, they buy, and you make money. It sounds easy, but in reality, sales don't work this way. You must have a process called follow-up. Once a visitor visits your website, you need to remind them that they did not buy from you yet, because most people do not buy at the first visit. And the only one way to follow up with your visitors is to use a capture page or a capture form where you ask for their emails and phone numbers. Then you send constant relationship building, offers, reminders, value, deals, discount emails, and messages. And because you are a busy person, it has to be completely automated. This whole thing is completely missing in this video. All this video covered is how to use AI, make some images, get some traffic to your website, and make money while you're sleeping, which never happens. In fact, if you look at this man, he is making videos to get viewers to his videos. And in the description, he's even sharing a website link which is totally different than Bohemian Decor. And guess what? This website is an opt-in page and he's asking for your email. Once you give him your email, he will send you emails, value, offer, discounts, basically a follow-up sequence, so you end up buying something from him. That's how sales process works, and it can only be done automatically without you doing anything yourself. If someone does this for you, completely done for you. And this is the secret sauce of the success of our beginner students. They're earning high ticket affiliate commissions with a 99% done for you system. We give them an AI software that they can sell as their own software and keep 100% of the profit without sharing anything with us. They can earn subscription revenue just like us. You know what is this? We have softwares, SaaS programs, memberships, recurring revenue streams, where our customers pay us monthly fees. $7 per month, $9 per month, $197 per year, different types of recurring fees. This was generated from this recurring revenue. This is the best way to generate passive income using the power of internet and digital marketing. Our students are able to promote and sell their own products that we give them completely done for you and keep 100% of the profit. They get access to a members only community with over 390 members and constantly growing. They can ask any questions to us and we help them with answers, solving their problems, and they get weekly live coaching calls from us on Zoom. These coaching calls are great to connect, ask questions, get answers, and stay motivated. And finally, they get approval to promote our offer and earn 50% high ticket commission just like this. To learn more about our program and watch a free training video, click the link in the description or comment 99 and we will share the link with you. At the beginning, I told you I don't use Pinterest much for traffic. The reason for that is Pinterest is image-based social media platform. Yes, they have a lot of traffic, but they're not much interactive. So building trust, authority, and rapport with this audience is really hard. Compared to platforms like Instagram, we have 152,000 followers and they're extremely interactive. Apart from liking and sharing our video content, we consistently connect with our audience through DMs. This process helps build trust, rapport, and authority easily and make easy high ticket sales. Yes, we use AI, but we use AI to help make videos, connect with our audience, build trust faster, make high ticket sales, and make tons of money. And yes, our system is 99% done for you. Check the link below if you are interested in the free training. We'll see you inside. If you want to learn how to make $680 per day, easy money from your phone, then watch this video. And if you want to learn how to make $15 per app download, then watch this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and switch on the notification bell button. And if you think it's a good video for your friends and family as well, feel free to share with them. And we'll see you in the next video.